Hi, this is Silicon. Today I'll be taking you through the basic tools that you need in order to carry out repairs. What are the basic tools? Number one, you need screwdriver. If there's a gadget of yours that has problem and you want to lose it, you want to see the inside, you need screwdriver in order to achieve that. So you need precision tools. And here I have a wallet tool here. Okay, these are sets of, you can see the bits here. So you can get this. We have different tools. Here is another tool. This is a single tool, and it has Phillips head. Meanwhile, this one has different bits, different heads that can be used to lose different design of screws. Having a set of tools because it has different type of tools, bits on it. We have some that it has over 80 bits. Yeah, we have over 90 bits that you can use. So you can get such tool. It is very helpful. Very helpful. Make sure that you get the one that is magnetic. What do I mean by magnetic? Okay, this is a tool here. This is a tool holder. This is a bit. With this, I can easily pick it. It makes it easy for me to pick screws. You see the screws here, the screw here that I've picked. So it makes it easy. So if I'm losing, maybe I'm losing PC, it makes it easy for me to pick the screws and put the screw in a place so that the screws will not get lost. So what is next thing that you need? So that is about precision tool, and you need a multimeter too. This is a multimeter, and multimeter is very useful. There you can check if what you're working on, if there is light, if a voltage gets to a particular place or it doesn't. And if it doesn't, it tells you, it lets you know where a voltage stop. It also tells you, can also use it to diagnose a component that is having problem. So we can use any multimeter at all. Yeah, if it is analog or if it is digital, it will be useful. And basically what you need is, especially you need continuity and also diode mode. You need voltage, yes, voltage. Okay, you need that is the resistance. You can check resistance in the particulars in the circuits. So basically any multimeter that you get, you don't need to get an expensive one. It could be a small one. You can also use it to accomplish to carry out repairs. So it's not necessary for you to buy expensive multimeter. You need soldering iron. This is soldering iron. Meanwhile, you can't use this alone. You need a solder. This is solder. This solder is an alloy of tin and lead. You need these two in order for you to work. So I have this is a rework station. Okay, let me see if I can turn it. This is Coco 852D plus. Alright, SMD rework station. This is it. And what does this one do? This one blow hot air. It allows me to remove ICs. It allows me to remove MOSFETs on the board easily, because soldering cannot do that for me. So I have to use this now to remove it. And this is also helpful. This is a soldering paste. Okay, so it allows me to remove ice easily, and also in returning it, it allows me to do a perfect job. That is for soldering paste, and the name of this one is Amtech. Okay, it's Amtech lead free soldering materials, and that is for rework. And it also comes with tiny soldering iron. Okay, if you look at this, you see that it's of different size. It's good if you want to get soldering iron, get the one that has a pointed tip, not the type of soldering iron that the tip is as big as this. Imagine if you're having a soldering iron that its tip is as big as this. How will you be able to work on a motherboard like this? No, it's not possible. A person is going to ruin so many things. So it's not possible. So you need to get something that has a pointed tip like this. And if you check this tip, they are different. This one is tiny than this one. Okay, for the tip where you are going to work on will determine the type of tip that is best suitable for that. But if you use the wrong tip, it's going to do much damage than the good. Alright, so that is for this. But basically, you can any tip, like for this one, this tip is useful for this to a very large extent. This one, I'm using this one for a very light work, a light job. Okay, basically these are the basic tools that you need. As a matter of fact, we just precision tool with screwdriver, you can do quite a lot of things.